Nous vivons à l'école parce que tout a fumé bien en l'air, ça veut dire ça qui est. C'est la connaissance pour pas vivre. La monnaie l'État pour dire en l'air pour nous parce que c'est là nous besoin. C'est là nous besoin. Imaginez que nous des gros commerçants qui pourrissent.
So, Our Lady of Alta Gracia. This is how the Spanish would say the Holy Mother Mary. In Haiti, it would be referred to Altagracia, Our Lady of Grace, but still the same thing. Holy Mother Mary. You know, she is honored as protector and spiritual mother of the Dominican Republic. So the Dominican people, this is how they see Altagracia, you know. When you go to her church in Higüey, it's a beautiful church, you know. They invested their money alongside with the Vatican, and it's a very, very popular tourist attraction. Matter of fact, many Haitians go to that church in Higüey to go and, you know, pay their respects. But what about us, the Haitians, the ones on the other side? We also have honor and respect for this entity. You know, we might not say Altagracia, but we say Altagracia. We say Manman Mari. Some might say Ezili Danto. You know, I mean, however you wanna receive the energy. So, you know, Abinader, I think he's going to be using this saint, this spirit, this entity. You know, he's going to use it to cause some confusion in the canal. Matter of fact, talking about the canal, do you know there's a little problem because they haven't been able to find cement. You know, they got to buy cement to make whatever, you know, however that works with making tunnels. So they have to make a pause on the canal. So check this out. So back to Abinader and Altagracia. Okay? The meaning of Our Lady of Grace, okay, it refers to Mother Mary, who became something very spiritual in the Christian faith. But let me tell you about Mother Mary, Manman Mari, in the Vodou culture. Because you have to always remember our ancestors, they took all of these saints that the Europeans was giving us and synchronized it with our spirits. Okay? And even if we still might say Saint Marie, Saint Jacques, Saint, you're saying the saint, but the person in their mind, they're still serving with their entity, the one that helped them liberate themselves from Europe. Now, obviously, the Dominican Republic has remained more, I would say, aligned with Europe, with Spain, right? Even though when Spain entered the island, they entered Mont Saint Nicolas. So they was on our side of Ayiti because the whole island is Ayiti. Anyway, let's get back to the saint Altagracia, um, and realize something, right? So these spirits, these entities, they intercede for us with God to obtain His grace. Okay, that's what it's about. Getting grace, getting positivity, and getting protection from God, from above. So, as you know, there's been a lot of natural disasters going on in the Dominican Republic. Many people have been dying, and I guess they have put in their mind that maybe we have cursed the country or something. So, did you guys know that Abinader and the Dominican government, Dominican military, they have placed a statue of Altagracia right across, adjacent to where the people are working in the canal right now. Of course, a priest came, prayed, asked Altagracia to protect them, to bless the people of the Dominican Republic. And I don't know, it's pretty interesting. But it's all about peace, prosperity, love on the island. One thing that I would remind the other side, the Dominican family, la Dominicana, mi familia, mi hermano, mi hermana, mi primo, mi prima, whatever, right? If both places got into a conflict, of course it would not be good for nobody, right? Um, but ultimately, Haitians, will probably fight to the death. So they have to be very careful with everything that they're doing so they're not provoking any situation. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys, man. You guys enjoy. Ayiti Organic, Instagram, Ayiti Organic 1804. And I'll leave you with a little of this audio. Bomakaya.
Jokason apre li, baka jwen ni.